Namaste, welcome to maths class. Today I am going to explain here how to factorize by using the formula a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. First of all, I want to explain this formula geometrically, okay? How to explain, okay? A square minus b square equals to a plus b, a minus b in geometrical, okay? And by drawing the figure that I want to show you first here, okay? In this one, okay, first of all we have to take the help of one square figure, okay. This is raw figure one, we have to use the fair one, okay. There, draw one square there, okay. Draw one square figure whose name we can give here a b c d, okay. And its length of each side is a unit. You have to take it a, here also a, okay, here also a. All the sides length we have to take a unit, okay. And from this one, okay, what we have to find out here, area of this square, area of square, okay, this area of square, we know area of the square, its formula is L square. That's why we have to write the area of square, okay. This ABCD, this is ABCD, okay. And we know that its formula is L square, okay. We have to write L square. Then if you put the length value there a, then it will be a square, okay, because length is given there a. After that, now we have to draw here one in this corner. Only you can take any corner one of this one, okay. We have to draw one small square here, okay, small square whose name we can give here e, okay, e f, okay, e f. Now this c and this will be g, okay. Here we have a g, g, and this square length of each side will be b. We have taken b, and here also b, this also b, okay, and this also b, okay, children. And if you draw here square, small square at the corner, okay, having its each side b unit in length, then area of that small square, we have written area of small square, okay, small square right here, small square, area of small square, area of small square right here, okay, area of small square equals to, also we have tried here L square, okay, children. Then its area will be b square, its area will be b square because length is there b, b unit is in length, that's why. Now we are finding the area of this part, okay. This I am shading here, look at this blank one, this part area we are finding. When you find the area of this shaded part, at that time you write here area of shaded part, right, okay. area of area of shaded part, or you can write shaded region. Area of shaded region. Area of shaded region or part, you can tell. Area of shaded region. Okay. Area of shaded region equals to what will be there? Big square it has area A square, small square it has area B square. When you subtract small one square area from big one, you will get the area of shaded region. It means A square minus B square, A square minus B square. Okay, this A square minus B square is the area of this shaded region. Look here children, now I am going to show you, okay, finding this area by another way. Now look here, for this another way we have to join this. Okay, we have to make it a bit longer, this E, draw this straight up to here, okay, and join it. Now we can keep this vertex name here. We have written already A, B, C, D, okay, E, F, G also we have written here. Now we can write this point name is H, okay. You can give the name of this figure is H, okay. This one point vertex, put the H. Now what type of figure you will have here? Look here, I am drawing here one. Here the same figure I am drawing, okay. Here you will get the figure like this. Look here, this is A and this is B, okay. This is also square, okay, B, and this side is C, this side is D. I am drawing the same figure here, and you will have the figure like this. Look here, here you have there, okay, here is E, okay, here is E, here F, okay, and here G, and I told you to extend this up to here, and you will have here E, F, okay, G, and here will be H, okay. This H one, this same figure, and this total length it was A, okay, it was A. Now this was B, then this remaining one will be here A minus B. This remaining one will be now A minus B. Okay, children. Now this A minus B, and if this A minus B, then this will be also A minus B, because opposite sides are equal. This will be also A minus B. Okay. Now this is also A minus B. This is also A minus B, and this total length it is AO. Okay, AO only here. You can see in this figure. Now I am finding this area of this shaded region by the different way. This is the shaded region, okay. This is shaded region. This is also shaded region, okay. And this was B, okay. This is also automatically this upper part. This is also B, okay. And then now look here. This total part was A, and if this is B, then what is remaining this part? This part is remaining there also, A minus B, okay. This is also A minus B. This total part was A. That's why from this A subtract this part B, then this remaining part comes A minus B, and this will be also automatically A minus B. You know, this opposite sides are equal, and this is B. Then the upper part is also B. Then now when you find the area of this shaded region by the another way, these two shaded part, okay, this rectangle is also rectangle. Now first of all find here area of rectangle, okay, area of rectangle, that is rectangle A, okay, as GD, A as GD, G and D, okay, HD. Here length into breadth, this is okay, length into breadth we know, okay, and we know here length. Look here, for HD length is what? A. This is length is A, and what is breadth here? And breadth was, look at this is breadth, this is A minus B, right here A minus B, A minus B, right, okay, A minus B, okay. This is the area, okay. Now let's find out the area of S, okay, BFE, right here, area of SBFE, area of area of, okay, SBFE, SB, okay, F E, as, look at this one, SBFE, FE, okay. Here also we have to write length into breadth, okay, length into breadth formula area, that is the rectangular shape. Now its length is, look here, its length, this is a minus b, okay, right here a minus b, okay, a minus b, and here breadth, this breadth is b, there we have taken that is b. Now when we add these two areas, then you will get the area of shaded region. Right here area of shaded region, area of shaded region, area of shaded region, okay, right here area of shaded region. If you write the area of shaded region, okay, we have write the area of shaded region. If you write area of shaded region, then what will be here? We have to add these two areas, this first one area and second one area, okay. Right here a, first one area is a into a minus b, okay, and second one area is plus, this is also a minus b, this is a minus b into b, okay. And from this 2 1, okay, what is same here, children? This a minus b is same, that's why we can take common. If you take a minus b common here, then what is remaining in the bracket? Remaining in the bracket here a remaining, here plus b remaining, okay, here is plus b remaining, that's a plus b left there, okay, right in the bracket. Like this we write, look at this is also area of the shaded region, this also area of this, both of them are representing the same part of this square figure, okay. That's why this area a square minus b square will be equal with, right, like this last one right here, therefore right there, therefore a square minus b square is equal with, okay, this a minus b also we can write, and a plus b also we can write first, okay, a plus b into a minus b, okay. Like this we find the area of a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Like this formula comes, okay children. I hope you understood this, okay. Now I am going to start the exercise, okay. I am going to start the exercise related to this formula, okay, and how to factorize the given expression by using the formula a square minus b square, okay. Let's start the exercise. And look here in this question, first is m square and 9, okay, 9 means also we can express in square. In place of a there is m, in place of b there is 3. Then we have to write a square minus b square. A square minus b square means a plus b, a minus b, then a means m, b means 3, a, look, m plus 3, m minus 3. Similarly here, so you can look at 4a square minus b square. Then first we'll express this 4a square means 2a whole square, b square means b whole square, and that means 2a plus b, 2a minus b. Similarly, look at p square minus 9q square, and in this case, right here p square and minus 9 means 3, and q square means q only, that 3q whole square. Then you can add p plus 3q into p minus 3q, okay. Like this we have to factorize. Similarly, look here in this next one, 4y square means 2y whole square, and this 1 by 25z square means 1 by 5z whole square. Then we can write 2y plus 1 by 5z and 2y minus 1 by 5z. One will be plus and will be minus. And here also 5m square minus 20n square. And what I tell here, children, look here, before factorizing any, okay, expression, first of all we have to check whether there is common or not. There is common 5, that 5 take common, then there inside left m square minus 4n square, 5 4 is 20, that 4 means 2n whole square. It is in formula of a square minus b square. 5 right same, m plus 2n, m minus 2n. Similarly, here also there is common. A cube is common, then a square minus 4 left. A square minus 4 means a square minus 2 square. Then we can add a cube, a plus 2, a minus 2. Similarly, here also children look here. 6x square common, then 4x square left, and 1 is left there. Then 4 means 2x whole square, that means 1 square. Then we have to write 6x square and 2x plus 1, 2x minus 1. Okay, children. Similarly, here also 15 is common, then you will get 1 by a whole square, then 2b whole square. 2b whole square means 4b square. Then we can write here 15, 1 by a plus 2b, 1 by a minus 2b. Similarly, here also look at children, ab is common, then 9b whole square. 9b whole square means what it will be? 9ab whole square means 81 a square b square. And here is 11 square means 121. AB is common already. Then we can add AB into 9AB plus 11, 9AB minus 11. Okay, children, here should be bracket. Similarly, here 24x cube minus 6x square. 6x square is common. Then it will be 6x square, then 2x whole square minus 1 square, 2x plus 1, 2x minus 1. These are the factors. These three factors became. Here also 5 common. M square minus 2n whole square. Then m right outside. M plus 2n, m minus 2n. These are the three factors. 5, 1 factor. M plus 2n, 1 factor. M minus 2n is the factor. Here also 15 is common. Then we can write here. We have to write a 1 by a whole square. And 4 was there remaining. And 4 means 2. And b square means b, and b whole square. Okay, 2b whole square. 15. 1 by a plus 2b, 1 by a minus 2b. This is the answer. Okay. Similarly, here children, possible common take 3mn. Then what is left there? 4n whole square minus 5m whole square. Then it will be, see there, this is one factor and this is another factor. 3mn is one factor, 4n plus 5m and one factor, 4n minus 5m another factor. Okay, these are the two factors. Now let's see here how to solve. Okay, resolve into factors. 1 plus, look, a plus 1, this 1 is added with a, this 1 factor. Okay, 1 a square 1, and this b means a 2. A square minus b square expressed, a plus b, a minus b. Then now look, 1 plus 2 like term, we can add them, it will be 3. 1 minus 3 means minus 1, this another factor. Okay, these are the two factors. Similarly here, 2a plus b whole square minus 9b square. It means, look here, the first one, a means 2a plus b, b means 3b. Okay, that's why a square minus b square. Then b plus 3b we can add, it will be 4b. And this b minus 3b, this minus 2b. And from a 2 common, then from a also 2 common. 2 to the 4, here left a plus 2b, here left a minus b only. Similarly here also, then look here, a square minus b square upon it. 4m whole square, and this p plus 2n whole square. And this a plus b, a minus b, that means 4m plus p plus 2n, but here is minus sign. Put them compulsory in bracket, because minus will change the sign of this these terms, okay, which are in the bracket. Minus plus minus, minus plus minus. Okay, when you remove the bracket, please take care about the sign changing. Okay, now here this is a means 3x minus y and b means x minus 3y. Right here first of a plus b, a means 3x minus y and b means x minus 3y, and his minus sign, that's why put them in bracket, because when you remove the bracket, this sign will be changed. And here look here, 4x minus 4, 4 common. Here 3x minus x, 2x, and 3y minus y is 2. Then 2 common, and it will be here 2 4 the 8. Here remain x minus y. Here remain x plus y. Here from here also we have to take common. Okay, 2x plus 2y also is common. Here a, what is a there? A means here 9 also we have to express in square. 9 means 3 square. That's why p plus 2 cube also is square. This is the square of both. Okay, here we have to take care about this. Okay, children, 3 square means 9. And this b. And now look at a plus b, a minus b. Now remove the bracket. This is minus plus minus, minus minus plus. Now 3p plus 2p, it is 5p. 6q minus q is also 5q. Here is 3p, okay, minus 2p, p only, and this is minus 2p plus q means here is minus Look here I am telling again 3p minus 2p, p, okay, 6q plus q means 7q. And from here, look here, this is not, there is no common, but here is common 5, 5 should be different outside. These are three factors, 5 one factor, 5 plus this p plus q one factor, p plus 7q another factor. Okay, here also look children, this 4 means 2, that is 2 and 3 plus 2b in whole square, minus 9 means 3 and 2a minus b, it's already square, put them in square, okay, put them in curly bracket. Then a plus b, this first one a plus b means the second one, and here a means this one, okay, again a minus b, okay. Remove the bracket, then it will be 6a, 2 to the 4b, and this 3 to the 6a, 3 into b minus 3b, okay, plus into minus minus. Here also 3 to the 6, 2 to the 4, minus plus minus, 3 to the 6, minus minus plus, okay. Now 6a plus 6a, 12a, 4b minus 3b, b only. And here 6a minus 6a chord, 4b plus 3b means 7b, and 7b we can write front also. We can leave here also. Like we can find the factors. Okay, so now look here how to factor this a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4, that I am going to show here. A power 4 means a square whole square, then b square again whole square. A means a square, b means b square, a plus b, a square minus b square. Then this side same, this again we can open the formula a plus b into f minus b. Here x power 4 means x square whole square, 16y power 4 means 4y square again whole square. This is a x square plus 4y square, x square minus 4y square. Then we have tried the same, and this is x square minus, okay, 2y whole square. Then again open this formula x square plus 4y square same. This is x plus 2y, x minus 2y. Okay, so then similarly here also open this 81p power 4 means 9p square whole square, 16 means 4, and q power 4 means q square whole square. Then a plus b means 9p square plus 4q square, and a minus b means 9p square minus 4q square. This side same, it has again formula, right? In formula this one, okay, this is 3p whole square and 2q whole square, that's why 3p plus 2q, 3p minus 2q. Okay, here if you feel difficult, then we can write this one, okay, one more. This can be expressed in what? 3p whole square, okay, 3p whole square we can write, and minus we can write that 2q whole square. If you write this one, okay, 2q whole square, okay, here will be the, okay, here will be the bracket one, 2q whole square, this bracket is a, okay, 3p, that's why it will be 3p plus 2q, 3p minus 2q here, okay, children. Then it will be 3p plus 2q, 3p minus 2q. And now look here children, another one. Here x power 4, this is a power 4, x number, look, a power 4 means a square whole square, 1 by 16, 1 by 4 whole square. It is same, a means a square, b means 1 by 4, a square minus 1 by 4, okay. This plus 1, no need to convert into factors. So here this we can again, a square minus 1 by 2 whole square, a means a, and 1 by 2 is b, a plus b, a minus b, this front one right same. These are the factors of this question. Okay, like this we have to factorize. Okay, children, thank you very much. Stay safe, healthy, and happy. And thank you for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, and it is made for you. And subscribe to stay updated for, okay, of the new videos one. Okay, children, keep practicing mathematics. Now see you in next video.